How does location-based scheduling affect your daily work and overview of the projects?
When I use location-based scheduling, I have three things I can look at. I can look at what we are going to build, when we're going to build it, and where we're going to building. So in that way I have a total overview of the whole project, that everybody can work all the time, all the places at one time.
It's actually so much easier because if I've got MS project and I give a contractor 5 months to do his job, I have no idea of where he is except if I make a specific plan. But here in Tactplan, it's very specific where I know where he is and I can track him so much easier. So it's giving me a very good overview.
What impact does having an overview of tasks and schedules have on the construction process?
As I said, it's so much easier because I know where he's supposed to be. The biggest problem is that in old days, we had MS project, and if I gave a subcontractor 5 months to do his job, I didn't know where he was. But here, I can go out and check. It's because that I'm surrounded with people that are used to having a plant in MS project, and they kind of know where we're supposed to be. But with Tactplan, I know exactly where I'm supposed to be. So I go out on the construction site, and then I can look at the plan, knowing where the painter's supposed to be, knowing where everybody's supposed to be. And if they're not there, I can do something about it right away. So it helps me very much.
Do you experience that your construction processes have become more or less predictable? In what way?
When I use location-based scheduling, I have three parameters to look at. I have time, I have the task, and I have the location I can look at. So I know exactly when the painter starts, where he starts and when he starts. When we have a Gantt diagram, I know when the painter starts. I have no idea when he's finished in building 1. I don't know if he starts in building 1. He could start in building 8 if he wants that. So I can control the rhythm of the construction site with the location-based scheduling.
It is, of course, much more predictable. I know exactly where they're supposed to be. So every day I can see if a subcontract didn't start. I tell my colleagues that if you have the plumber, you go out and see if he's there. And if he's not, what do you do about it? I go out and make him tell me, why isn't he here on this spot? Why isn't he doing his job? And every time we fix it, we are not behind schedule because I can see it from day-to-day basis.
What was it like getting started with using Tactplan?
I have used location-based scheduling with different programs, and with Tactplan, the interface is built with a normal, easy-to-use intuition, so you are guided through the whole process of building your timeline.
I can say I've been in the business for many years. I started with local-based scheduling in 2005. Somebody showed me and I'm thinking, this is it. I want to do it. Tactplan has not been on the market for so many years, but it's better than what I started with. And it's more intuitive and it's easy to learn.